So I have one of these, in fact, a couple of these Harbor Freight trickle chargers. They're relatively inexpensive. They're like $4 or $5 if you get them on sale. And I've been using them for a while, but recently I had one of the power supplies blow out, and because of surges, and it ran my battery down and killed my battery. And the reason for that is when you connect them to the battery terminal, it draws power. So if your transformer is unplugged or becomes unplugged by mistake, it will continue to draw power, and eventually, if you miss it, it'll eventually run your battery down. Now, what I did is I went to the electronics store and I bought a couple of these rectifier diodes. This is a 600 volt 6 amp rectifier diode, but you really don't need that much because it's only a couple of milliamps that goes through the trickle charger. And what you do is you put the diode with the cathode towards the clip, and the cathode is the side with the band, and the anode to from the transformer. So what happens now, I bought a couple of these. So what happens now is when you give me one sec here. When you connect with the diode in place, you don't get any draw from the circuit. And when you plug it in, the diode becomes forward bias, and now the charging light is on and it'll charge your battery. So if you experience a power outage, what would happen is the light would go off, preventing the battery from becoming discharged. This is like a 20-cent diode retrofit that will simplify your life and protect your battery. Thank you.